Deputy CM Nemcha Khemchand kari taurubagi kotugi members mass resignation tawkhibano tha asigi tarada Manipur gi Minister Yumnam Khemchand Kuki Namna taba Kangpokpi district Phauraga Senapati satluraba matungda community on tribal unity kotuga mari leinaba office bearer members amadi Central Defense Committee gi masing yamlaba member kayama mass resignation tawkhibadu Deputy CM Nemcha Khemchand gi maramdagi oibi yahena source aman haidi Mekai khara di CM Khemchand kotuna ngaktuna leidiba makhoi emergency oiba buffer zone lanchil lubigi kotu kai khibane haina lawrabasu asengba waridi Nemcha Khemchand amsumaki mapureba Kuki National Front P gi leader 17 thang Khemchand kotu haiba lu asibu paisilaga makoina tawningba tawba thabaksing aduda pendraba Central Defense Committee CDC amadi members na mass resignation tawbani haidi Khemchand Senapati satringai numit nini watlingaida April tang nipan naga amadi Kuki anigi marakta mausa gumna sana kaitel amasum tingpi bungda khutthoknaba thaudokta Kuki arm village volunteer ama nongmaina panduna soki hari thaudo adu yaningdaba phongdok oina rally ama sinkibni Khemchand lakpagi marang tawbudu kotuna su mapung phan rally du support tawbirakta amadi kangpokpigi miyamna su tawraktaba ururaba matungda Kuki-Zomi village volunteer mayamna kotu amadi Nemcha Khemchand warau khiba laikhrabni maitai na lusingba lengak semada Kuki-Zomi amata yawba yaroi haina kayarak warning pikhrabase Nemcha Khemchand deputy CM gi post paibada natana anauba portfolio ani amasu phangduna haujik yamna nungaina leiri haina Kuki CSO amasum leaders singna warawi bani mara asida tronglawbi thaudokdasu Kuki MLA amatana awaba phongdokidi adubo Nemcha Khemchand laikhidraba angang ani edugi mihat aduda akan mamong kandem tawbaga loinana matik saba sairak pinabasu phongdokpa thingnakhi asumna Nemcha Khemchand deputy CM oirakhiba tha ani phajilaklaba matungda kotu amadi ITLF ki thabak thawongda yamna ahongba kya lakhiba ubadagi khulai paiduna English ngani ga kungo homdoi me ahumdagi lan kapliba Kuki amadi Zomi village volunteers singi wakhalda pendaba kya laikhibadu handak Khemchand maning tamna kangpokpi phawruga sattuna Senapati da function yawruba masum halakpagi lambides Kuki MLA Haukholat Khemchand gi mayumda sangduna unaruba sina Kuki volunteers sing di hena khoidau thitpa thawong ama oikibni Nemcha Khemchand insinbadagi kotuna kangpokpida Khemchand bu thingdabani habisi Kuki singi pendaba khulaw amasu oidibani April taretasu deputy CM losi dikho yauna hon kumai yauna pangthokuna thadaubu promote tawbugi wathok Nemcha Khemchand gi matakta leiribani nakalamaronda numit tarani gi mamang Chusampur gi Zomi leadership nasu Nemcha Khemchand gi thabak thoramda yaningdaba phungdokpagi paulaki Zomi gi yamna masin chatpa lusingba mana Nemcha Khemchand warning tawkibani Zomi singna taba maphamda Nemcha Khemchand khut thingjalakano haujikti number 1 na kanano number 2 na kanano haibadu yengba tari haina social media gi kuthang Nemcha Khemchand haikiba leirabani masina takpadi Nemcha Khemchand deputy CM oirakpadi gi Kuki amasum Zomi ani gi maraktasu nungaina taba thabak kya sathare takpani kotu Nemcha Khemchand gi furit khawda leba organization ama oibra haibigi pendaba phongtoknaraduna Kuki-Zomi village volunteer mayam resign tawbani haibisi phona khangnaraba wafma mani asumna mass resignation tawkiba sina matuna kari tawrakadagi haiba khangmangamdri kotu khakta natana Nemcha Khemchand control tawkhri haina miyamna warauri basi Kuki NP Sadar Hills su amani hanago masil thauna thabak tawkhidraba Nemcha Khemchand haiba illiba Kuki gi CSO ani kotu amadi Kuki NP Sadar Hills ta highway sida makhoina yaba mi sathalloi haiba asimasu handak Manipur gi CM Yumnam Khemchand problem amata leitana sakhiba sina khudam amani haujuk miyamna hangnariba wahangasi deputy CM Nemcha Khemchand amadi magi kotu laina karigi dam Imphal Dimapur lambida maitai satpi yadri bano haiba sini Central Force lairabasu Kuki militants na kihanbigi thabak sathari NH 202 Imphal Urkhul lambigi yang pokpi amasum litan phawbagi maraki jaga singasi law and order leitabaga sap manari ngarang ayuk pung mapalum taba matamda yengang pokpidagi litan tamna security convoy yauraga lakhiba misam singda Kuki militants na Central Force laina kian khanganbagi thabak satharakhi numidang pung taruklom taba matamna sulitan romdagi lakpa ambulance amada nongmai round mangarum kapslaki haina Central Working Committee Kuki Naga Food Hills Organization thadorakpa sirol aman hairi Okro amasung Kamjong district samnariba lifeline oiriba lambi asi paralyzed oiri lambi asida miyam chatoksin tawbu yauna nomagi sangdaba yadaraba potlamsing emergency service sing da Kuki militants sing ayet pakya piri Kuki militants na sathariba thong sing asina central force na action amata lokhati hari haukiba laiba popgi sarona numidang werangi pung taruka minute taramuk satpa matamda khulai matik sana pairaba Kuki militants singna National Highway 202 the ambulance sama lakpa matamda Zelengbung Yoroglamdaida akan mamongda nungoina kaps lakri hariba wapamasi litan sarkapung amasum laho bilis tagi pangbani Sabir Ahmad Kwakta digi matam supugoina tanthokli Kwakta da laiba organization AMPYA AKYBHO AKCO Zamiyat Ulama Bisnupur District Anjuman Insa I Mauksra Dharmagilu Singamadi Atay Kwakta da laiba CSO singna kusamnaduna sei kyagi mamang ni Kwakta drug thingnaba khongjang sangsinduna war on drug sangsinduna horakliba nahakyabu drug ki lang ki kanabu honaring seleksida nan Impal da laiba Bir Tikendra International Airport Impal Kwakta da Gram Panchayat Ward number 7 dagi MD Sabir Ahmad sei kuntraga taru apokpa Ahmad Ali dagi Airport Police amasum CISF na brown sugar 6.74 fare haina hairakpas yamna leibak thibu thalduni amadi Kwakta miyamda natana Manipur leiba Maitai pangal singi izat mangningai oiba maramna hairiba MD Sabir Ahmad asi Kwakta gi dagi matam supigi oina Kwakta dagi tanthokle haina Ampia gi advisor Oza Ziauddin Aribamna phongdorakli AMPYA AKCOC Zamiyat Ulama Bisnupur District Anjuman Islaha I Tausra na kusamnaduna sinduna AKYBHO gi office ngarang pangthokpa pawgi mifamda haikibani pangna makha takhibada thaudo asi Kwakta da natana Manipur gi atai pangal Maitai pangal khudimaki mingsa thiningai ni aduga Sabir gumba miyoi sing praman ga konana police na nattaraga CSO sing na phaba punba yoroglabadi makhoi busu matam supigoina tanthokani haina Kwakta gi miyamna su warep na khri haidi pawgi mifamda Zamiyat Ulama gi village president MD Abdul Kalam Anjuman Isla I Mauksra gi secretary MB Ayazuddin AKCOC gi Maisa coordinator Abdul Barik AKYBHO gi general secretary Hanif Shah MMPYA gi working president Pukri Mayum Sadam amadi atai thami sing su saruk yakhi heri
and also we have submitted one memorandum in connection with the prevailing law and order situation in the state of Manipur, right from Touringai incident, including this Litan incident also, we have explained everything, and situation day by day is worsening in the state of Manipur, particularly law and order. So since governor is the agent of the government of Manipur, particularly Rashtrapati, he is the competent authority of the state of Manipur. That's why we met him and we have submitted one memorandum, and he listened carefully. He said that he will send a cross message to the Honorable Home Minister, Government of India, and the Prime Minister also will advise, and also Rashtrapati also what he said.
So Litan is a very small area, but there were large number of security forces in Manipur, but government can't control the firing.
So that is please up to the state government, because this is purely law and order related incident.
Okay.